If your Epic Games Launcher is giving you errors, freezing, or refusing to open properly, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step fix that works for a lot of common Epic Games issues on Windows. We're going to clear the launcher cache, restart your computer, and then adjust one important setting that can help the launcher run correctly again. This is an easy fix, and you do not need to be an expert to follow along. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, you want to completely close the Epic Games Launcher. Don't just minimize it. Check your Windows system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen, find the Epic icon, right-click it, and choose Exit. This makes sure the launcher is fully shut down before we make any changes. Once that's done, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard at the same time. This will open the Run command window. In the box, type %local AppData, exactly like that, and then press Enter. A File Explorer window should open directly inside your local AppData folder. From here, look for the Epic Games Launcher folder and double-click it. Inside that folder, open the Saved folder. This is where Epic stores temporary data and cache files, and sometimes those files get corrupted and cause errors. Now look for a folder named Webcache. You may also see versions like Webcache_4147 or other similar Webcache folders. Delete the Webcache folder and any variants you see. Don't worry, this will not delete your games or your account. It only clears cached launcher data, so Epic can rebuild fresh files the next time it starts. After deleting those folders, close File Explorer and restart your computer. This step is important because it helps fully clear out anything the launcher may still be using in memory. Once your PC turns back on, try launching Epic Games again and see if the issue is fixed. If the launcher still has problems, there's one more setting we should check. Find your Epic Games Launcher shortcut on the desktop, right-click it, and select Properties. In the Properties window, click the Compatibility tab. Here, check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. This gives the launcher the permissions it may need to run properly on your system. After that, click Apply, then click OK to save the change. Now open the Epic Games Launcher again and test it one more time. In many cases, clearing the web cache and running the launcher as administrator is enough to fix startup issues, loading errors, and random crashes. If the launcher opens normally now, you're good to go. If you want more easy fixes for game launchers, PC errors, and Windows troubleshooting, make sure to subscribe because I post helpful tutorials all the time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.